located in Uptown. So the usual workflow is client share with us the overall brief, your objective, what you envision, and then we'll help you conceptualize further if needed, and of course bring that to life. So here is a projection, immersive projection for Mega Mall in partnership with Snoopy.
Julian, if I may ask,
Hi,
are,
yes, go
are
ahead.
you are you are you associated with the Eventscape Incorporated? It's a custom architectural fabrication company, or hindi? This is different.
Yeah, this is different.
Okay, sige, sige.
Eventscape
Thank you.
Manila Inc. Yeah. Okay, we had a cost tracksuit pop up, so it's also a setup in sa mall naman, and holiday pop up, PLDT smart home fit out, then another cafe, then TikTok last 2021, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 6 board up. So here are some of our partners for reference. Yep. Yeah. So this company profile is focused on the fabrication installation since based on our initial assessment, this is much more aligned with your requirement, which is the in-store, office museum. But we can also share with you a full version of this so you can see what Eventscape can do also in other components. So yep. Do you have, may we proceed with your brief? Or if you have any other questions?
Yeah, we will reserve our questions later.
All right.
Uh, okay. Zoe, would you like, or June, would you like to proceed with the brief
Oh yeah, sige, sige. Let me share my
just
screen.
to provide them an idea of what we're actually planning? Thank you.
The powers exist. The powers.
Give us a moment. We're having connection issues.
So, once again, good morning. So, this is a brief presentation on our activity this coming November. So, basically, we are celebrating our 45th anniversary this year. And actually, it's a series of activities, but we will also conduct the activity on the D-Day itself, which is on November 12th. So these are the plans that we will implement. Next, please. Okay. Sige. Next, please. Okay. Next, please. Okay. So since it's 45th year, the appropriate color that could be used as an accent to our brand colors is sapphire blue. No? So maybe you could help us with this. And then yeah, this is the program architecture. So aside from the digital campaign and promotions that we will do, we will also have our branch activation or events activation. So this, as you know, PAFCPIC has 26 satellite offices nationwide and one main office. So we will be celebrating this activity simultaneously nationwide. No? Sige, please, next. Ito yung mga suggested lineup of activities, but in your case, maybe you could help us with the number one. So I believe Zoe has already given you some details about it. No? So this basically this is the concept, no? So in the span of 45 years, medyo marami na kami nakolektang mga memories, memorabilias, no? And yung mga what they call this, mga old equipment that we can use in our museum like photo gallery. So ang suggested sections nito is we have our origins, yung growth ng membership, also our products and services, and the people behind our success, and then yung the cooperative success together with the members, particularly on community development programs. Because as a cooperative, as a business, we don't just offer our products and services, but we also help the community with their needs. Like we are helping community build schools, water system, and that is nationwide. No, kasi that's part of our advocacy as a cooperative. And then maybe we could prepare siguro print templates, caption styles, or maybe QR code for more information. Like as you know, you can only put so much in a museum. So for them to really want to learn, no, so we can use QR code for them to learn more about the things that they are looking at. And so, George, could you play yung We have a sample photo gallery. So we made this 5 years ago during our 40th General Assembly. So parang ganito yung concept, but I believe you have more creative and more modern approach of doing this. Ah, what happened? I just click the play siguro. Ayan.
Okay, we're experiencing intermittent issues now. But basically, yung peg na gusto namin at the least no would be something similar to this. Something that, but of course, presented in a more modern way because at least no, in my opinion, no, while we are looking at the past, we should also much more look forward into the future. So if you can pitch good ideas relating to this or an improvement of this, it would be a welcome remark. Sige, George, I think may problem yung natin, yung connection natin.
Okay, sige. So,
Let's
to give
na lang,
you,
forward with others.
okay na yun? Yun lang naman yung At to give you more information background on the proposed photo gallery or museum, the one that we've shown you, ginawa yan dun sa grandstand sa Philippine Army. So that was temporary lang. And I think we have, gaano ba kalaki yung space natin? estimate lang. It's
Probably around mga 50 to 100 square meters siguro yun, I think. Kasi yun yung nasa baba nung ano eh. Yun yung nasa baba nung
Oo.
grandstand.
Siguro parang ano siya, just to have an idea, no? Para siyang, I think, kung fit lang,
Well, eventually Jun, we will find out kung ano yung measurements in the long term. No? For now, let's
yeah, yeah.
push through na lang kung ano yung vision natin.
Yeah. So medyo ano, for that area, siguro if I'm not mistaken, sa mga 10 feet or more side by side, no? Ganun siya kalaki. However, as planned by the concerned office, the photo gallery or museum will be placed here in our main office. So parang ang kanilang plano is it's kind of magiging permanent na siya. So we are still looking for the allowed or ample place to make it. And this is just the initial meeting kasi after this, with your proposal, so we will be meeting with the concerned office. And then if they will agree with your proposal, that's the time siguro na we will set a meeting to for a to level off or to clear some questions before we proceed to the final approval. So parang ganun. So just to give us siguro ballpark lang, no? Or maybe some ano lang muna, some proposals. What can you do with this if you have prepared something? I believe Zoe has given you already the information. Or if not, maybe you can give us ideas how will you do about this. And siguro ballpark figure lang kung, of course, the expense that we will incur.
Hi, Sir June. So currently, actually, the objective of this meeting is for us to discuss what is the expectation coming from us, kung ano yung mga need niya na requirements, ano yung mga possible nating gawin, and the area that you have so that our team can come up with the concept and the installation design that we can present to you moving forward. So coming from this po, we might ask for the space, like specific space, so that we can also give you the actual creative design, concept, and renders of a possible installation. And with that, it will also allow us to present a more accurate cost proposal. So right now,
All right.
we presented our company profile of our past installation. So those are the things that we can offer you. Like if you're looking for a more modernized exhibit, we can for a period of time we can do like maybe a projection display. Maybe you'd
Mm-hmm.
want that, or we also can make AR experiential
Yeah.
installation if you
What it
have.
is, augmented reality. Na?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I
we
was
can
I'm
also
familiar
do
with it.
that. And then
Sige.
for a more traditional display or installation type, of course, the photo wall of our timeline.
Right.
Siguro maglalaro na lang tayo with the elements, and also we can also present a different concept that would feature all the items that you have. If you have a trophies, different mementos,
Right.
we can also do that.
Mm-hmm.
So
All right.
maybe we're going to ask more details on the things that we can display, what you want to highlight and feature the area. If you have a working budget, that would be also helpful for our team.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Sige, Nikki, on sorry, July 21 kasi, the project owner for this particular activity is open for discussion, no, face to
Mhm.
face. Maybe you guys could pay a visit para lang makita nyo rin yung venue, provide rough estimates on your end, and of course, mapagbigyan natin yung project owner ng activity na to view yung proposal ninyo if you have any, no? If it's okay with you guys.
Sige sir, allow us to regroup internally to see what we
Yeah.
can do. Maybe a concept
Mm.
proposal would
Yeah.
be, yeah.
Con- Kahit concept lang.
Mhm,
Yeah, nothing too elaborate, no?
mhm,
Because yung project owner nito is baka ma-shock naman na bigla. Ang daming ano. Maybe we can help each other na lang. So for now, siguro hopefully you guys are available sa July 21. I'll have Zoe communicate kung anong time
Yes.
available din yung particular division na naghahanap ng ganitong project. Because as at marketing, uh, we have our plans. Baka ang mangyari kasi meron rin silang sarili nilang plans that they want to
Mhm,
interpret, no? So
yeah.
at least when you're here sa office
Mhm,
namin on July 21, we can provide siguro parang a brainstorming of
yeah.
sorts on that date na rin.
Yes, sir. We can work on that. I'll just
Sige.
check with our team our availability. Then I'll confirm with Zoe.
Excellent. Sige.
Also, if possible, if you can provide us assets beforehand so that we can
Sure.
prepare.
Sige. We can naman,
Yeah.
siguro we can provide yung mga basic assets lang namin.
Yes.
Okay.
Your milestone or the things that you want to display, kahit list lang muna, so that we
Sige.
know kung
Excellent.
ano yung expected
Mhm.
displays natin.
All right. Okay, one more thing, Nikki. Kasi this coming November then,
Mhm.
actually November is a really big month for Pacific.
Yes.
Ano, hindi pala kami nakapag-present ng ano namin. So just to give you an idea, no, Pacific or the Philippine Army Finance
Mhm.
Center produces integrated cooperative, ang haba niya, no? We are a financial institution that
Mhm.
provides various integrated financial services now
Mhm.
for the armed forces of the Philippines and its
Mhm.
members and dependents. Um, to give you an idea, syempre, as a financial institution, steeped in tradition,
Mhm.
we are quite adamant in maintaining a certain level of decorum, pero at the
Mhm.
same time, of course, we're pushing for modernity and
Yeah.
improvements. Anyway, upcoming November kasi it's a very important month for Pacific.
Mhm.
Meaning, bukod dito sa aming upcoming na parang
Installation.
brand activation,
Mhm.
installation display, magkakaroon rin kami ng fun run. Have
Mhm.
you guys, sa Eventscape
Mhm.
organized a fun run activity?
Yes, yes. We have handled multiple of fun run before. If you're familiar with Lazada Fun Run, we've handled that
Mm-hmm.
recently at MOA. And we have an upcoming fun run with Pure Gold. If you're familiar with the Pure Gold Hakot Release, so we have that upcoming this
Mm-hmm.
September. So we're very familiar with that. And previously, we've handled like View Fun Run. Yeah,
Yan, very good.
so we have multiple fun run experience. So we're very familiar in handling fun run events.
All right, very good, no? Kasi we are still looking for an agency, no,
Mm-hmm.
to provide us yun nga, servicing for fun run.
Mm-hmm.
Sige, maybe you could provide a couple of proposals, no? Zoe will also send yung coverage ng fun run namin.
Yes.
So that include ka namin sa sa roster of providers namin for consideration. In any case, no, you've been through Fun Run. It's basic na. Meron na tayong parang template dyan, no,
Yes.
from your previous experiences. Ginagaya rin lang naman namin sa kanila yan.
Mm-hmm.
So in any
Yeah.
case, sige, hopefully you guys are available on ano ba, Tuesday next week, 21. So that we could you can also done ocular na rin, no? Just to
Mm-hmm.
grab some ideas on how we can push through with the exhibit and then of course yung fun run, one of the key things that we have to do.
Yes,
You
sir.
do you have any further
Yes, sir.
go
With
ahead.
that, I'll reconfirm with our availability on the
Yeah.
date with Zoe. Yeah. Yeah, we're looking
All right, sige.
forward with
Yeah.
this project. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Mhm.
yes. Before we end this meeting pala, no, could you
Mm-hmm.
give us na lang your company profile together with the events that you had in the past, mga
Mhm.
samples,
Yes.
as far as our requirement is concerned. And then for the digital assets, even though Zoe will be giving you some, you can also
Mhm.
visit our website.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
yeah, popsipic.ph, and you can go to the publication or downloads. Our annual report is available there. Yeah.
That's perfect.
There are milestones that you can see there. No, it's in our website. Okay.
Got that. Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Thank you everyone for attending this meeting. Definitely, we're going to research more about Pacific, and we're really excited to have this project with you guys. Thank you for the time. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye, Vicky.
you.
Thank you so much.